Good morning, students. This is Srinivas, teacher of English, JPI School, Vijayanagaram. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Lessons of Srinivas. Now we are going to learn idiomatic expressions or idioms. Idiomatic expressions or idioms. Anaga Jatiyalu. A group of words established by usage as having a meaning not deducible from those of the individual words. The idiom is literary meaning is different from isolated meaning. Idiomatic expression or idiom is an expression, word, or phrase that has a figurative meaning conventionally understood by native speakers. This meaning is different from the literal meaning. Okay, let's see some more examples. Get one's own way. Get one's own way means to pursue other people to allow her to do what she wants. Get one's own way means to pursue other people to allow her to do what she wants or to do what she wants in spite of opposite. ఎవరు వ్యతిరేకించినా తాను అనుకున్నది తాను సాధించుట లేదా ఎదుటివారిని తన దారికి తెచ్చుకోవడం. దట్ వన్స్ ఓన్ వే మీన్స్ తను అనుకున్నది సాధించడం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, she gets her own way at the end. She gets her own way at the end. Another example, my little brother always gets his own way. Another example, by hook or crook, she gets her own way. By hook or crook, she gets her own way. Second one, forages. Forages means for a long time. సుదీర్ఘ కాలంగా లేదా చాలా కాలంగా. Examples, he has been waiting for ages for his promotion. He has been waiting for ages for his promotion. Let's see another example. I haven't met him for ages. I haven't met him for ages. Okay. Next example, set foot. Set foot means to enter or visit. దర్శించు లేక వచ్చు లేక అడుగు పెట్టు. నీల్ ఆర్మ్స్ట్రాంగ్ set foot on moon. Neil Armstrong set foot on moon. Another example, when I was set foot in the USA, when I was set foot in USA, I was really thrilled. Next example, spring has set foot early in this year. Spring has set foot early in this year. He sets foot in the new business. He sets foot in the new business. Next example, fourth one, drive a hard bargain. Drive a hard bargain means work hard to negotiate agreements in one's own favor. Drive a hard bargain means బలవంతంగా ఒప్పించడం లేదా మనకు అనుకూలంగా వాదించడం, బేరసారాలు ఆడడం. Examples are, some people drive a hard bargain to buy vegetables in the market. Next example, many customers drive a hard bargain for discount in the shops. Many customers drive a hard bargain for discount in the shops. Next example, the salesman drove a hard bargain with the customers. Okay. Get rid of. Get rid of means to remove or throw away something unwanted. వదిలించుకొను లేదా విడిచిపెట్టు. Everyone tries to get rid of bad people. Next example, I wanted to get rid of my bad habits. Next example, sixth one, give way. Give way means stop resisting. వ్యతిరేకించకపోవుట లేక లొంగిపోవుట. She gives way to the parents' decision. She gives way to the parents' decision. We have to give way to other vehicles on road. Next example, the soldiers gave way to the enemy. Okay, give way. Another meaning is there. Give way means give a gift. బహుమతిగా ఇచ్చుట లేదా ఇవ్వడం. The old man gave way all the plants to the forest department. Give way, another meaning is there. Give way means collapse or fall down suddenly, to become emotional, బాధకు గురవడం లేదా నిరాశ కలిగించే విధంగా లేదా కుప్పకూలిపోవడం. when she heard the bad news when she heard the bad news, she gave way and cried. Give away or gave away means give something freely as a gift or donation, బహుమతిగా ఇవ్వడం. I gave away I gave away all my books to the library. I gave away all my books to the library. He gave away most of his money to charity. The chief guest gave away prizes to the winners. 10th example, at length. At length means in detail. సవివరంగా లేదా సుదీర్ఘంగా లేదా వివరణాత్మకంగా. We have been discussing this topic at length. We have been discussing this topic at length. The issue of Jammu and Kashmir was discussed at length. Next example, he explained the point at length. 11th one, on purpose. On purpose means intentionally or deliberately, ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా లేదా కావాలనే. My friend was absent to school on purpose. She came here on purpose to hurt me. He started the topic on purpose. He did a mistake on purpose. I didn't do it on purpose. It was an accident. Last example, I didn't do it on purpose. It was an accident. Next one, took by surprise or take by surprise means shocked or surprised. ఆశ్చర్యం కలిగించు, ఆశ్చర్యపరచు. The question took her by surprise. His decision to join army took his family by surprise. His sudden visit took me by surprise. At a loss. At a loss means confused and not know what to say or do. దిక్కుతోచని స్థితిలో, అయోమయ స్థితిలో. I am at a loss to understand the new syllabus. Next one, next example. When her son left home, she felt at a loss. Next example. All the students were at a loss as the exam's date was suddenly announced. Next one. The driving force. Next idiomatic expression. The driving force or driving force. A person or a thing that motivates or directs someone. ప్రేరణ లేదా ప్రేరణ కలిగించే విధంగా. Teachers are the driving force for the students. Teachers are the driving force for the students. Teachers were the driving force to Abdul Kalam. Get one's eye or got one's eye means looked at or noticed. Get one's eye or got one's eye means looked at or noticed. గమనించడం. The boy got his eye on the chocolates. Next one, on the dot. On the dot means exactly on time. సరి అయిన సమయానికి లేదా నిర్ణీత సమయంలో లేదా ఖచ్చిత సమయంలో. రాజు comes to school at 9 a.m. on the dot. He is very punctual. Next one, please be here at 10 a.m. on the dot. Next idiomatic expression, can't stomach. Can't stomach means tolerate or bear. భరించలేని లేదా సహించలేని. I cannot stomach with the present day politics. I cannot stomach with the present day politics. I can't stomach with corrupted fellows. Next one, next idiomatic expression, be blessed with means having with. దీవించబడిన లేదా ఆశీర్వదించబడిన. Rani was blessed with a male child. Next one, right away, immediately, without delay. Sorry, right away means immediately or without delay. వెంటనే, తక్షణమే. I promised to complete my homework right away. My friend got a good job. I congratulated him right away. Next one, if it is a right thing, If it is the right thing to do it right away. Next example, I went home right away when the school bell rang. I went home right away when the school bell rang. Next idiomatic expression, turn blue. Turn blue means became exhausted or very tired. బాగా అలసిపోయిన. Having worked for long hours. Having worked for long hours, Raju turned blue. Next example, I was turned blue from working long hours. Next example, Socrates left the young man in the water, started turning blue. Next idiom, the deer departed. The deer departed means the dead person. మరణించిన వ్యక్తి. We meditated a moment. We meditated a moment for the dear departed. We must pray for the dear departed. Okay, next idiom, muster of confidence. Gather or gain confidence. ఆత్మవిశ్వాసాన్ని తెచ్చుకోవడం లేదా ధైర్యం తెచ్చుకొని. I mustered of confidence to speak on the stage. Next idiom, nothing short of. Nothing short of means strongly showing the quality. Strongly showing the quality of or equal to. దానికి సమానమే లేదా సమానంగా. His behavior is nothing short of criminal. His behavior is nothing short of criminal. Government is collecting heavy taxes from the people is nothing short of robbery. For certain. For certain means without doubt or definitely. నిస్సందేహంగా. For certain, he is a criminal. For certain, he is a brilliant student. On par with means equal with or at the same levels or same standard. సమానంగా. Rishabh Pant is performing on par with Dhoni as a wicket keeper. Rishabh Pant is performing on par with Dhoni as a wicket keeper. His new book is on par with his best sellers. అతని యొక్క కొత్త పుస్తకం అయినప్పటికీ బెస్ట్ సెల్లర్స్ కి ధీటుగా సమానంగా అమ్ముడయ్యింది, పాపులర్ అయింది. విరాట్ కోహ్లీస్ బ్యాటింగ్ స్టైల్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ par with సచిన్ తెండూల్కర్. రాజుస్ అకాడమిక్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఆన్ par with రాజేష్. రాజుస్ అకాడమిక్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఆన్ par with రాజేష్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ idiom, feast for the eyes. Feast for the eyes means great pleasure to look at. కనులు విందుగా, కళ్ళకు విందు భోజనంలా. కనులు విందుగా లేదా కళ్ళకు విందు భోజనంలా. The match between India and Pakistan is a feast for the eyes. The weather is Lambasingi, a cool, pleasant tourist place in Andhra Pradesh, is a feast for the eyes. The weather of Lambasingi is a feast for the eyes. Okay. Princely sum means a large amount of money. ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో సంపాదన. Abdul Kalam received a princely sum by selling tamarind seeds. అబ్దుల్ కలాం టామరిన్ సీడ్స్ అమ్మడం ద్వారా ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో మొదటి సంపాదన చేశాడు. ఎవ్రీ కంట్రీ స్పెండింగ్ ప్రిన్స్లీ సమ్ ఆన్ డిఫెన్స్. ప్రతి దేశము డిఫెన్స్ మీద ఎక్కువగా మూలధనాన్ని ఖర్చు పెడుతుంది. ఎవ్రీ కంట్రీ స్పెండింగ్ ప్రైమ్లీ సమ్ ఆన్ డిఫెన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ idiom, లయన్ షేర్, ఏ లార్జ్ పోర్షన్ ఆర్ మేజర్ పోర్షన్. ఏ లయన్ షేర్ మీన్స్ ఏ లార్జ్ పోర్షన్ ఆర్ మేజర్ పోర్షన్. సింహభాగము లేదా ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో. మై అంకుల్ క్లైమ్డ్ ద లయన్ షేర్ మై గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ. మై అంకుల్ క్లైమ్డ్ ద లయన్ షేర్ ఆఫ్ మై గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సావిత్రిస్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఇస్ ఎ లయన్ షేర్ టు టాలీవుడ్. utterly downcast. Utterly downcast means completely sad or disappointed. చాలా బాధపడడం లేదా నిరాశపడడం. When I failed in the exams, I felt utterly downcast. Next example, she felt utterly downcast when she had the sad news. Next idiom, fish out of water. Fish out of water means someone who is uncomfortable situation. Someone who is uncomfortable situation. అసౌకర్య పరిస్థితి లేదా ఒడ్డున పడ్డ చేపల ఇబ్బందికర పరిస్థితి. I felt like a fish out of water in my new school. I felt like a fish out of water in my new school. When I meet strangers, I feel like a fish out of water. When he was away from home, he felt like a fish out of water. Here, three examples are there for the fish out of water. Okay. Okay. Next idiomatic expression is sore in the back foot. Sore in the back foot means pain in the key part. కీలకమైన భాగంలో నొప్పి కలిగించడం లేదా బాధను కలిగించే. టెర్రరిజం ఈజ్ ఏ సోర్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాక్ ఫుట్ టు ఇండియా. Another example, the bad news always troubles me like sore in the back foot. Next one, thorn in flesh. Thorn in flesh means a person or thing that annoys, stops from doing things and causes you pain. విసిగించి చిరాకు తెప్పించి పనులు ముందుకు పోకుండా చేయువారు, లేదా కాలిలో ముళ్ళు లాంటి వాళ్ళు, లేదా కంటిలో నలుసు లాంటి వాళ్ళు. కాలిలో ముళ్ళు, కంటిలో నలుసులా ప్రవర్తించే వాళ్ళని thorn in flesh అంటారు. ఏ పర్సన్ ఆర్ థింగ్ దట్ annoys, stops from doing things and causes you pain. My little brother is such a thorn in flesh. Coronavirus is a thorn in flesh to the society. Next one, on the top of the world. On the top of the world means very happy. చాలా సంతోషంగా. When I got job, I felt on the top of the world. When I got job, I felt on the top of the world. Next example, for the on the top of the world, Virat Kohli on the top of the world as he scored high in the match. Virat Kohli on the top of the world as he scored high in the match. Cat on the wall. Cat on the wall means wait for the opportunity and jump towards greener side. అవకాశం కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తూ పచ్చగా ఉన్న వైపు దుముకే, లేదా గోడ మీద పిల్లి వాటం, ఎటు లాభం ఉంటే అటు వెళ్ళే రకం. Most of the modern politicians are like a cat on the wall. Cat on the walls. Example, most of the modern politicians are like a cat on the wall. Friends, thank you for watching. Namaste. Thank you.